Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the issue when an app is stuck on pending in Google Play Store. So if you are trying to download an app and it's stuck on pending, first check if you are connected to Wi-Fi. If you are not, this might mean that in your settings you have set downloading over Wi-Fi only. So let's change it to download over any network or connect to Wi-Fi. If you can't connect to Wi-Fi, let's go to settings and change it. Go to the main page of Google Play Store and click on your profile icon, settings, network preferences, app download preference, over any network. Okay. Now let's search for the app again. It was WhatsApp. Let's press on cancel and press on install again. And let's see if it starts downloading. It does. It started downloading. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.